so much hate in my tiny body right now for everything about the situation.
Midnight. The first night. Okay. Here's the phone call. How do I... Shh.
Hey, glad you came back for another night.
Woo!
It'll be a lot more interesting this time.
I bet.
Found some great new relics over the weekend. Let me just update you real quick.
Is it room around here?
Smells very good camera quality.
So we have to make sure everything works and nothing catches on fire.
Make sure nothing catches on fire. Okay.
I don't want to do the cameras. Oh my god, no.
Yeah, you've officially become part of the attraction.
Yay!
Starring as the security guard.
Woo! It's the role I've been born to play.
People on the camera as they pass through.
It's 1 o'clock. I made it through an hour.
To make sure no one steals anything or makes out of the
Oh my god,
corner.
that's scary. That's scary. I don't want to play this game.
For now, just get comfortable with the new setup. You can check the security cameras over to your right with the click of that blue button.
I like how excited this guy is on the phone. He's just like, yeah, you're gonna die.
Then over